Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to add Bitcoin to Exodus wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Exodus wallet on your device and tap Bitcoin. You can now add Bitcoin through the receive arrow at the top right, so tap on it. Your QR code and wallet address will appear, so you can scan the code or copy the address to add Bitcoin to your wallet. You can also tap share and send your wallet address to deposit Bitcoin. So that's how you add Bitcoin to Exodus wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.